Hi, Joe Glavin with City Floor Supply. Welcome to our warehouse. And out here today so that we can discuss Basic Coating's newest sealer, VersaSeal. So VersaSeal, as the name implies, is versatile, meaning it's going to work under every Basic Coatings finish, from Player's Choice 1 to Street Shoe. You're going to get great flow and leveling with this product. When it dries, it's really going to powder up nicely. You're going to get limited grain raise for a water-based sealer, which is really important for a smooth finish. You got low VOCs. If you're going to use this in a residential application or a commercial application, or even a gym floor application, and you say it's a gym floor application and you have that 100-foot long, run, this sealer, you can add up to 12 ounces of water per gallon, and that's really going to help you on that long run with your flow and leveling over any species, and that includes white oak, so you're not going to get any tannin pull or burn marks. Application-wise, you can T-bar it, you can roll it, you can pat it, and you can brush it. So all application techniques are able to be used with this product. So again, versatile product, VersaSeal from Basic Coatings. If you have any questions about this, feel free to give us a call at 800-737-1786 or go to cityfloorsupply.com.